Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a clip in Splice. Splice is a powerful yet easy to use mobile video editor that helps you create professional looking videos right from your phone. Today we're going to learn how to duplicate a clip, which is perfectly if you want to reuse a video segment without trimming or editing again. So let's dive in. So first you need to launch the Splice app on your phone. And if you do not have a Splice app yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And once you get into this interface of this Splice app, what you can do is you can simply select any of the draft project, or you can also create a new one, as I'm going to select one of the drafts from the interface here. And over here we can find already the clips. Select each clip that you want to make a duplicate of, and after that on the bottom the editing icons will appear. A copy of a clip will instantly appear in your timeline, usually on the bottom of the original clip here. And what you can do is swipe a bit down until you find the duplicates icon. Just on the bottom you can find the duplicate, tap on the duplicate and it will automatically duplicate the clips in the Splice. And duplicating clips in Splice is simple and makes it easy to reuse the footage or try to edit with starting over. And try it out your next project and watch your editing workflow speed up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.